to preach to me from your scientific point of view, please use your own testable evidence. Maybe you never heard of the Quran before. Maybe you don't know in Surah Al-Rahman 55 verse 33. He talks to us about the other side, out, away from ourselves, to the universe and beyond. Anyway, it says, "O you assembly of jinn and mankind, go ahead and try to go through the layers, the zones of the atmosphere of the heavens and the zones of the earth, and try to get out beyond that. Go ahead, try to go to outer space. Go ahead. But you will never transgress those zones and those layers ever. You're never going to go to outer space. Illa bi sultan. Except by a mighty power and authority." And the English word sultan is from sultan. It means authority or power. I'm going to ask you a question. Sir, professor, hello, are you with us? Sir, when you buy your fuel for your car, how do you buy it? Well, what do you mean? How do you buy it? What quantity? Well, I buy it by the liter. Okay, in the United States, they buy it by the gallon. Yes, and what's your point? Well, it costs a lot of money, sir. Yes, it does. But do you know, whenever at NASA, when they buy fuel for those rocket ships to put them in outer space and to put those satellites up there, they don't buy it by the liter. They don't buy it by the gallon. They buy it by the ton. Ton. And they fill up those huge cylinders that they attach to the side of the rocket ship. And then when they light it and it goes up, so much fire comes out. So much, what? What comes out? Sultan. So much power coming out of there to lift that thing up, 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 up. And then when it gets up there, they throw away those cylinders. Because they're through those layers now. They don't have to do that anymore. When it gets up easier, then pew, little small jet, boom, and send it up. But when did this come? This didn't come last week, did it? It wasn't Newsweek last week. It didn't come out in Life magazine in 1950. It didn't come out in Collier's magazine in 1930. This came in the Quran 1400 years ago in the desert to a man that didn't know how to read nor write. Go ahead. Transgress the bounds, the layers and zones of the earth and the heavens, and go out into outer space if you can, and you can't until you have this authority from Allah and this power that's going to put you up there. Who said that? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Well, son, I still don't see your point. I don't get it. It's all right, sir. We'll go slow for those who are not paying attention.